Hi, this is Claren of Homescape Realty and welcome to Quick Tours. Tara, check natin itong modern contemporary home. Tara, pasok tayo. So ito yung one-car garage nyo. At spacious siya, kasyang SUV or van. Tara, pasok tayo. Welcome to your living area, your dining area, and your kitchen. Kung mapapansin nyo, open layout lang. Dito naman sa kanan, ito yung inyong common toilet and bath. At dito, ito yung ground floor bedroom. Tara, puntahan natin yung sa likod. Dito naman ang inyong service area, your laundry area. And this one is your maid's room with own toilet and bath. Tara, check naman natin yung second floor. Dito naman sa second floor, merong 4 bedrooms. Unahin natin yung bedroom dito. So ito yung first bedroom sa second floor. Wala siyang toilet and bath. And it has a balcony. This one naman is yung second bedroom. Ito yung master bedroom. Meron siyang toilet and bath and a walk-in closet. Ayan. Check natin. Puntahan natin yung third bedroom. Ito naman ang yung third bedroom. So, napaka-spacious. Kasama na rin yung cabinet. And the last bedroom dito sa second floor, ito siya. So, napaka-spacious and kasama na rin yung cabinet sa room. And ito naman ang inyong common toilet and bath dito sa second floor.